Hello dear learners, how are you? Hope you are doing great. So today I am going to declare how to start speaking smartly and easily. Language learning, it's not rocket science. But some people has that problem. They feel like a fish out of water. But don't worry, Rome was not built in a day. It will take time so much. So without delay, I am going to cut the chess. So today's my topic how to start speaking easily and smartly. So you have to go the extra mile because learning a language it's mandatory to hard work. You have to put efforts a lot in your daily routine, in your daily time. Because remember when a baby was born, so how they speak in their environment, because English is not in their environment. That's why we are facing a problem. But remember my point, if you are really passionate about to learning this language, so you have to go the extra mile. Definitely you will speak English in no time perfectly. So what you have to do, to be honest, when I started my journey, so I was in hot water. But I realized learning a language, moving a mountain. So that's why I combine my that gradually work, like anything is here, it's gradually happened, it's gradually improve. So is initial stage I was doing like this, listen some English related videos and songs. Sometimes whenever I get free, so I pick up a book and go hit the set. After that, remember some vocabularies, and when I vocabulary moving in my head, so I jot down in my notebook. Likewise, I am doing extraordinary, and definitely in front of you I am here. So I think language learning, it's a mandatory, it's a required environment. How much you are surrounded yourself, how much you are going to immerse yourself in English language. Definitely it's a piece of cake, but you have to go the extra mile. I think you got it my point.